Hi, this is a video for you on the song Tallis Canon. Now, if you are one of my students, you actually have this music in two places. One of them is page 35 in your Essential Elements book. The other place is the Essential Elements 2000 Greatest Hits Medley. The music I'm trying to get out of my binder, it's the two pages that lie flat. Now, for some instruments, you actually would be starting at a different place in the song when you do that, the greatest hits version. So I'll cover that as well. But what I'm starting with is the main melody, what happens in the book. Page 35, song number 141. Again, this is the song called Tallis Canon. Really important to notice in this song, it's coming very soon after our blue belt work, and you'll see there is one sharp at the beginning, and that sharp belongs with the note F. So we do want to use F sharp. We do not want to use C sharp, though. We do want to use C natural. All right, so when you have, if you're as a violin or viola player, you are going to see some arrows down in your music on as reminders for C natural. Wherever you have C natural. Arrows up as a reminder to play F sharp, that higher placement of your second finger. And what does that look like? F sharp is when you have your second finger on the tape. F natural, second finger in the lower position for F. Cello players, remember that you're going to be using second finger instead of third finger to make your C natural. In basses, you're going to have some shifting that you need to do to reach the note C rather than C sharp. Okay, so be very picky about where your fingers are landing. The song begins with an up bow. So I'm going to make sure that I have enough room to do an up bow. Here's the song Tallis Canon. Notice there's a repeat at the end. So I'm going to play it with that repeat. 1, 2, 3. Isn't that pretty? So even though the rhythm is all really steady, it's all quarter notes, there's so much that changes in the melody that a lot of this rising and falling melody and just going for as beautiful and smooth of a sound as you can. Now, violins, when you play your greatest hits version of this, it's exactly the same. You start at the beginning. If you play viola, it's as if you start 4 beats later in the song. So kind of like you're starting where there is a 2 in a circle on the top of your music. Same thing for cellos. You're starting at a different place at the 3 in a circle. Basses, it's like you're starting at the 4 in a circle. So I'll give an example of what that would sound like. Here's what the viola part on this version sounds like. Starting with G, then C natural right away. 1, 2, 3. And it also sounds like you're ending 4 notes earlier as well.